In this video, I'll show you how to install SHAREit app to your Android TV. If you find this video useful, subscribe to the YouTube channel after watching. So if you want to install the SHAREit application to your Android TV, you can use this application called Downloader. Downloader is a helpful application that helps you install any apps, APKs from across the internet. And all you have to do is to launch the application. If you don't have Downloader on your smart TV, do not worry. In the description of this video, there is a link there that's going to help you download or install Downloader to your Android TV. Once you get downloaded on your Android TV, just launch it. This is how it looks like. And in this box here, you're going to search for the application SHAREit. So to get the application SHAREit, you just have to come to the keyboard and type SHAREit. Then click on Go. Downloader is going to show you sources on the internet where you can install SHAREit to your Android TV. So as you can see here are various options. You can scroll through all of them, but this is the best option here. So just go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see the install button. I can then click on install the device to your Android TV. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel.